What is going on, everybody? Chatty CRC here, back with you. Welcome to the July drone drop unboxing. Sure, maybe some of you have seen this by now, but for those of you that haven't, here we go. Spoiler alert. One quick thing, I realize that these things aren't for everybody, and some people just buy them because they like the surprises. Some people get them and they complain about this and this. You always get your money's worth out of them, and if you don't like some of the parts, you can sell them, trade them, do whatever. But you know, I listened to a podcast with them, and they talked about, you know, how hard it is to like actually secure the amount of product and everything for everybody. And when it comes to the boxes, I think this is the best one for us hobbyists. And you know, you can always get a shaving club box if you don't like these. So let's get on with the unboxing. So let's see here. We'll get this out of the way first. Of course, we got a nice set of DYS stickers, so that means that there's probably going to be something DYS related in here. We have a tool bag, which is kind of nice, with no tools in it, which this isn't a bad thing for me. I run everything out of my ThinkPack, but I have a lot of like doubles of tools and everything like that I could throw in here, and that way I don't have to like dig everything out of my ThinkPack if I don't, my helipack if I don't want to, so on and so forth. We've got some DYS Velcro straps. We've got FPV Racing Edition DYS Velcro strap, which is a little bit nicer of a quality, so that's pretty cool. We've got some of these silicone TBS silicone mounting soft kits, which a lot of us don't do soft mounting and stuff anymore on our motors and stuff, but I found that even inside the flight controller, using something underneath and a little bit on top of gummies is pretty much the way to go. And you can see this right here, you've got motor mounts there on the outside, and you have the actual things to go like on top or underneath that stick on your gummies right there, so you get like a little bit of extra protection. So these are really cool. I have used them in the past, and now I'm definitely going to use them. We've got some Flycolor stickers, which if you don't know, if you're a subscriber, there is Flycolor ESCs that are available on the Drone Drop subscriber store and the regular store. We have the HQ 5x4.8 by 3 V1S, which is a prop that a lot of us use. I use these and the 5x45s quite often now. And then we have 4 of the DYS Sam Gook motors, which we all know these are like $10 motors, but you do the math, you know, 40 bucks plus 10 bucks in props, so you know, there's your $50 right there, plus all your other stuff, shipping and all that. And these are the 2306 2500s, and Kebab FPV has talked a lot about these. He featured them in some of his fall style builds there for a while, and just opening one up and checking it out, you know, the quality is pretty nice. It's definitely a big motor. The magnets aren't very notchy, so they should be pretty smooth. We know that they have the lip underneath there, so your magnets don't slip and everything like that. And yeah, I mean, these are decent motors. I'll definitely be using these. I mean, you can never have enough motors. And if you're keeping score, if you've been through this since the beginning, so now you've got like you know, a TBS, you got a Unify, you have a flight controller, you got an Oblivion frame, you got 4 motors, you got props. So I'm not sure if they've done a camera yet. Who knows? What do you think? Next month, camera, ESCs, 4-in-1 ESC, probably a 4-in-1. I'm thinking, because that will go well with the Oblivion frame. So I'm going to stick all that back in there. I'm going to keep these handy on the bench because I might be needing those. And yeah, so that's the July drone drop. Pretty cool. Talk to you guys later.